This is Gary from Aldan, and I want to introduce you to Bruce. He has this beautiful C30 ramp truck. Can you tell us a little bit about the ramp truck?
Sure. It's good to be here, Gary. It's a 1967 Chevy ramp truck. It's a C30. It used to be a box van. It was stretched out and made into a ramp truck back in the 70s to tour NHRA. It's been updated. It's got a late model engine, but still a small block Chevy standard, not an LS. It's got a overdrive trans, 410 rear end. Drives pretty well. The biggest problem I have with it is the way it rides.
Okay. Well, we've been talking about doing some Aldan shocks on it. So like I was saying, we just need a few measurements and let's get some Aldans. We've done a lot of the 1 tons and dually crew cabs. I've never done a ramp truck yet, but you know, you're friends with Haas, and Haas said, hey, he needs some help.
Yeah. On our way down here, we all caravan down together, and I'm following Haas in his 56 Chevy that's set up as a gasser, but with A-arms. And the shocks that you guys built for the front of that, I'm watching the way he's riding down the highway, and I'm bouncing around. I mean, this truck's pretty low. It sits pretty low, but it's bouncing around pretty good, and I feel it. I feel it. Every bump, I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
And I'm watching his car, and I just think it's time for a big change. And when Gary talked to me about, hey, what would you think about trying some Aldans on your truck? It's like, I'm ready. I'm ready to try it.
So anyways, it's been great talking to you.
You too.
Can't wait to get you some shocks on this little C30 of yours.
Nice.
And hear back of how they're working for you.
Nice.